Hi, so today I will be talking to you about globalization and regarding the Chinese economy. So, just to remind everyone, globalization is the exchange of goods and services between at least two countries across borders. So that could be goods, that is like physical goods like shoes, food, meat, it could be technology, anything physical. And the services could be banking, education, just like the UK. They export a lot of education, financial things too. Uh, so China is considered a developing economy or country. This basically means it's becoming more industrialized. It is increasing its relationship with other countries through globalization. Uh, Next slide, the Chinese. So the Chinese government are also opening up more to the international market. This allows people and firms to provide their services or goods more and with less restrictions. So they wouldn't have to pay more tax. They would actually be able to, they would pay less. So which is good for business. Also, foreign investors are able to move into the Chinese emerging economy as well as uh, Chinese uh, Chinese investors moving out. The Chinese economy is capable of affecting the global market because they export and import a lot of goods and services, and a lot of countries are heavily dependent on these goods, especially food and raw materials. If they decide to cease trading with the world, there will be disruptions in the global market as they currently make up 30%, as they actually made up 30% of the total global uh, growth in 2013. Next slide. So this is a map of the major countries China exports to. As you can see, Asia, North America, and Europe are the main importers, or yeah, actually the main exporters of China. Yeah, we can also see Africa, Middle East, and Russia. Yeah. The next, this are the exports to China from other countries. So as you can see again, the U.S. is there, Russia is there, Europe is there, and Africa is there. Uh, so as you can see, some of the countries trade both ways with China. Like I said, the America and the EU, and most of the huge leading nations trade with China. The Chinese economy is also yeah, made up 30% of the total growth in 2013, with America making up only about 13%. This is a huge deal, a huge number, making up 30% of anything, especially the total growth. China is also a global major importer, so they import from all around the world, as we saw in the picture before. Uh, China, the rise of a global superpower. China is seen as the next America, the next superpower. This just means China is the next, uh, most likely, is going to take over from America. They could account for a larger percentage of the global GDP within the next 5 years, most economists say. And by doing this, they would knock down the US from the position currently. They would become automatically, if they would become automatically the biggest economy. They are already big, not say they're small. However, if this does come true, then a lot of the then China will have the most influence on the global market, just like right now America do. Thank you. And this is the works I did. Bye.